Hi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you're seeing this video and wherever you're watching it from, I greet you this morning from my end. Let's make a lovely turmeric sauce, turmeric and carrot sauce. This sauce can go with plantain, yam, or rice, or whatever you want to eat it with. Even spaghetti can go with spaghetti. So I'm going to show you guys how I make it. First of all, I had to cut my vegetables. This is me. I already washed it and scraped the carrots. I just had to pour water on it again. This is me cutting my vegetable. I love making this sauce, but I think this is the first time I am recording me making this sauce. Yes, I love making this sauce, and whenever I make this sauce, I find eating plantain interesting, or rice or white rice interesting. It's a kind of different. It's quite different from a normal sauce, an everyday sauce that we get to eat. So I prefer my carrots to be round. Having a round carrot is, it's not a sauce that you have to pieces the carrot. The carrot has to show. That's why I call it carrot turmeric sauce, because it's my way. Let me just say, it's the way I make it. I haven't learned this sauce making from anywhere. I've not seen it from anywhere. I just, come up with it and I did it. So at this point, we are still doing the cutting. Oh my God, my green pepper is bad. So I had to cut out those parts that is bad. Then remove the seeds. That's me doing it. Trust me. If you make this sauce, I usually cut this green pepper very big, but I ran out of green pepper, and this one still came and spelled, so I had to manage it. So this is me trying to do some management with it. Guys, please stick on my page and let's do more of this. Let's create more of delicious dishes and lifestyle. I do love lifestyle and cooking. Stay in my page. Don't go anywhere or cook anywhere. Let Aquarium Woman show you how to cook. Let me teach you how to cook delicious food for that person, or for your family, or for your kids, and they'll be like, "Mommy, I love the food. I enjoyed your meal." This sauce, there's no shape for anything in this sauce, especially these onions. Just make it big. Most of the things here, you have to make it big, and that's when it comes out well. You put a pot on fire with the granite oil. That's me adding the salt. That's the onions. I had to pour all the onions inside because I don't want it half done. I want it well cooked. I want the onions well cooked. That's a tomato paste. With this recipe, we are using tomato paste and not fresh tomato. Just a little of tomato paste, you are good to go. And that's me dropping a little of tomato paste. Let me stop talking. Guys, just keep watching. This sauce was so yummy, so yummy, and I loved it. I combined it with rice. It was so sweet, so delicious. I enjoyed myself, guys. Go try this at home, and if you do, come tag me, come to my comment section, tell me you did, tell me how it tasted. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.